Maine, in the Motor City, a judge is set to rule on the city's plan to emerge from bankruptcy. Detroit is shedding billions of dollars in debt and will be on a very tight budget as this goes forward. 7 Action News reporter Nima Shafee joins us live in downtown Detroit outside the federal courthouse with the latest on this big case. Nima?
Alicia, good morning. We know that after hearing months of arguments from both sides, Judge Stephen Rhodes will render his decision around 1 o'clock this afternoon, and it is a decision that will determine whether or not Detroit's plan of adjustment is both feasible and fair to all creditors, and most importantly, the city of Detroit. We do know that there's 4 outcomes that could come out of this. 1, he could accept the plan in its entirety. 2, he could reject it. He could even send it back to the drawing table, or he could accept parts of the plan. The plan, in part, calling for $1.7 billion in upgrades to the city's police and fire departments, also calling for saving the art at the DIA in the terms of $816 million of art saved from the DIA. And 2 of the biggest creditors, Wall Street banks, will save more than $2 billion in claims will be settled for 13 cents on the dollar, getting property in city parking garages, the Detroit side of the Windsor Tunnel lease agreement, and the side of the Joe Louis Arena to develop into a mega $1 million commercial site. This morning, we're hearing from Emergency Manager Kevin Orr.
Everybody got a voice. Objectors got a voice. Individual objectors got a voice. This is democracy at work. We've met all the conditions we need to meet, but here again, he's the final voice. We're hopeful that'll be a favorable one.
The final voice. Which way will he go? Will he accept the plan of adjustment? Will he reject it? Will he send all parties back to the drawing table, or will he accept parts of the plan? We will have coverage all across the board and on all platforms. The decision expected to come down at 1 o'clock this afternoon. We're live this morning outside the federal courthouse. I'm Nima Shafee, 7 Action News.
Thank you.